It was 2 screws to hang it. Everything kind of fell onto the board. Hey guys, 30-year veteran in the industry, and the one thing that I really like about the Easy Mount Rola-Chem system is quick, easy. I didn't have to read the manual. It was 2 screws to hang it. Everything kind of fell onto the board. Run a couple quick tubings to it. Man, I've got pH and I've got ORP sensor all in one. Very quick and easy to program this thing. The one thing that I've always liked about Rola-Chem is it's fast, quick, and reliable. These digital ones that they've now come out with, man, are absolutely the bomb. I've got 2 of them on my route already. Cannot wait to get about 25 more. The Rola-Chems, guys, the reason why I like to use Rola-Chems on my route is I can fill my vats with either chlorine or muriatic acid. The tubing is readily available at just about any distribution that you could possibly walk into. The actual black tubing I wouldn't recommend getting anywhere but a pool store. Absolutely just 100% remarkable, well-trusted, beautiful piece of equipment.